Today we will practice variation in KAPALBHATI pranayam. This pranayam is very good for your abdominal fat. It improves your focus, release all the toxins out, and if you practice daily, it helps in weight loss. Don't practice this pranayam in your menstrual cycle and try to do this pranayam on an empty stomach. So let's practice. Sit in Sukhasana. You can sit in Vajrasana, whatever comfortable. Sit straight, head relax. Now interlace your fingers and point your index finger and keep it in your head like this. Now you have to forcefully exhale through both nostrils. Inhalation happens automatically like this. You have to do this at least 20 times and practice 3 rounds of this. Thank you.